Question number 4 says that the heights of 50 students measured to the nearest centimeters have been found to be as follows. So this is the given data to us about the heights of 50 students. We have to represent the data given above by a grouped frequency distribution table, taking the class intervals as 160 to 165, 165 to 170, and so on. And then it says, what can you conclude about their heights from the table? So let's first have a table when we have height in centimeters and the number of students, that is the frequency associated with a particular class. So as already given in the question that we will have class intervals as 160 to 165, we get a class size of 5. We start with 150 because 150 is the lowest value that we see in the given data. So our class starts from 150 to 155, 155 to 160, 160 to 165, 165 to 170, and then finally 170 to 175. Now we will have to see how many students do fall in each of the class intervals. So we can say that height in centimeters is h. Now let's see the number of students that fall into each of these classes. In the first class, that is from 150 to 155 centimeters, we have 12 students. In the second class, 9 students. In the third class, 14 students. In the class interval 165 to 170, we have 10 students. And finally, in the last class, that is 170 to 175 centimeters, we have 5 students. So this, if we add up, that is, if we do the sum of all the frequencies, we get a total of 50, which is the number of students that we have. Now, the features or the conclusions that can be drawn out of this table are that a majority of 70%, which means 35 students, have their heights less than 165 centimeters. So this is one of the conclusions that we can make. The second conclusion can be that 10% of the students, that is 5 students, have their heights equal to or greater than 170 centimeters. So this is how we solve this question.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.